How to remove background noise in Audacity. This is a quick explanation on how to remove any unwanted background noise in your audio file. First of all, you need to open Audacity and open the audio file you want to work on. You will now see your audio file being displayed on the screen as shown below. After playing the file, you may notice some unwanted background noise that you want to remove from the track. This could be anything from traffic noise to noise from your laptop fan. You need to sample an area of the track that contains the noise you want to remove. Simply click and drag to highlight the area you want to sample. Click on the Effect tab and scroll down to the Noise Removal option. A new noise removal window will appear as shown below. Simply click the Get Noise Profile button to get a sample. The noise removal window will then disappear as shown below. Now select the length of track you want the noise removal to work on. A shortcut to select the whole track is done by pressing Ctrl and A together to highlight the whole section. Now while the whole track is highlighted, you need to select the Effect tab again and then click the Noise Removal option once more. The Noise Removal window appears again, but this time click on the Noise Removal button. A message box will appear showing how long it will take to complete the noise removal. You will now notice the action has taken place. You can check the track by playing it back and seeing if the noise removal was actually successful. Bye for now.